Okay, so we're gonna start out by doing our face makeup. I'm gonna do it first in the video. You can do it after the eyes if you want to, but I'm just putting this in here so that you know that you do need to do face makeup. Some of you in the football season tried to get away with not doing your face makeup, and that won't fly this season. So if you don't have anything to do your face makeup with, you need to get it. So you will need to do your foundation, and then if you want, you can put on concealer. I'm not requiring you to do concealer, but I do need you to have foundation on. You don't need to contour or do your bronzer either, like I'm doing, but you will need to apply blush. So make sure that you have a blush that matches, your skin tone, and even then kind of go a little bit more on the red or rosy tone so that it shows up. You're also going to need to highlight your cheekbones. That's just so that you look more lifted and a lot more sculpted. And then you will also need to do your eyebrows. So starting with the eyes, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow that matches my skin tone pretty well. This is just to help the darker colors that we put down blend in a lot more seamlessly. You're taking your maroon eyeshadow and putting that over the same place you just put the brown, so that will be on your outer corners and into the crease. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go into my pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to place that down exactly where I put the maroon and the brown eyeshadow. So again, your outer corner and your crease. This is just to brighten up the look and make it more red as opposed to brown. And then after that, I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm blending that out, making sure that it's a lot more like smoky looking and it fuses better with my skin. Now from there, I'm going back into the maroon shade that we used, and I'm going to pack this into my outer corner. This is just to give the eye look a little bit more dimension, and again, a lot more smokiness. Now I'm going in with the NYX Silver Glitter and some glitter glue, and I'm going to take this on a flat little brush, and I'm going to pick up the glue and put that in my inner corner and halfway across my crease. So I don't want to take this all the way to the darker part of the outer corner. Once I have that glue down, I'm going to pick up some glitter on the other side of my brush, and I'm going to pat that down where I just put the glitter glue. Make sure that you pat. If you rub the glitter on, it will just fall over your face and get in your eye. So again, make sure that you pat it down. And then I'm just going to continue that process until I cover up the inner corner all the way to about right above my pupil of my eye, leaving the outermost corner of my eye blank. And then after I'm done with that, I will start to blend in the eyeshadow with the glitter so that I don't have such quite harsh lines. So as you can kind of see right there, I'm picking up the maroon eyeshadow with a fluffy brush, and I'm packing that and patting it over the glitter to make sure that it blends in with my eyeshadow. And then once I'm done with this eye, you can kind of see the difference about how stark it looks compared to the softness of this blended eye. Now I'm going into my purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to take a pencil brush and put this all the way across my lower lash line. Making sure that you kind of do pull this down pretty far away from your waterline, because we do want this to be nice and smoky, so don't be afraid to really drag that down. And then after that, we're going to do some winged liner on the top eyelid, and then you will also give yourself some black lower lash line with a black stick liner. And then you will apply your mascara and your red lipstick. Now from here, I will provide these diamonds to you, so don't worry about having to purchase these. I will give these to you, but you will need to buy some eyelash glue. You will apply the eyelash glue to the backs of these diamonds, and then you will wait till they get tacky and stick them onto your forehead, as you see me doing here. So you will get 1 big diamond, 2 medium diamonds, and 6 small diamonds, and you will put this right along your hairline and pull it down, as you can see me doing here again, towards your temple, so it kind of looks like a small crown. You will need to reuse these every contest, so make sure that you get a little baggie, a little Ziploc bag to save these, so that way we can reuse them every single contest.
From beneath the sand, place can take me across, seems so far away. Across the universe, she lives another